Hi everybody, we're going to talk about the 20 benefits of turmeric and the best way to use it to get the most absorption possible. Turmeric is a tuber that grows in the ground, of course, and we use it in cooking, and we use it in medicines, and in many applications. So we're going to go over the top 20 reasons why you should be using it and what it can do for you. Number one is losing weight. Yes, it can help you lose weight. Why? Because it helps to suppress your appetite, and it also helps with your thyroid to balance your hormones, so it helps with your metabolism. And this, of course, will help you to lose weight. So a lot of people report that this works well. For me, it does help suppress your appetite. I definitely noticed that. I don't need to lose weight, but it has done that for me. The next big one is for cancer. There has been so many studies on this showing that turmeric can help to destroy cancer cells, any kind of cancer. Of course, make sure you talk with your doctor before using turmeric for any medical reasons. Now let's talk about how to make this work best. Turmeric on its own, it does not absorb well in the body, so you need helpers. You can take black pepper with your turmeric, and this helps it to be absorbed over 2,000 times better into your body. You can also take it with olive oil or coconut oil. Both of these oils have lecithin, and this is a special substance that will make the turmeric actually be absorbed into your body and do its magical power. So this is what you want to be taking. You can watch my video I did on turmeric tea, which I'll leave a link below, so you can go and watch that. And it's really a good way to get your turmeric in and tastes good. You want to make sure that you eat when you take turmeric, because it gets absorbed better also when you're taking it with food. A good way of doing it is maybe you're making breakfast, you want to put it in your egg. You can put some turmeric and black pepper and a little bit of the olive oil when you're cooking it. It's a very simple way to make sure you get your turmeric every day. Another very important, if you want to make sure this is really working for you, is to try and find fresh turmeric. This works much better because the powder stuff has been on the shelf for a while, and making it into powder itself destroys a lot of its beneficial properties. So it's best to get the fresh root. Let's go into benefit number 3 for arthritis and joint pain. Turmeric is really good at fighting inflammation, so of course that's going to help with joint pains of all kinds. So you could say that turmeric would be actually a natural pain reliever, which is important especially in today when we're having a shortage of medications. So you might try this. I'm going to mention some special applications for turmeric at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around. It's quite interesting. Turmeric is really great for degenerative eye conditions of all kinds. It's also exceptionally good for aging. It has super antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, so of course it's going to be great for your skin. This one I'm sure most of you don't know about. It helps to improve your hormone BDNF, which is made in your brain. And what is important about this is it helps to make your neurons. If you have low hormone levels, you can develop all kind of serious problems and brain diseases. So you want to make sure your neuron development is strong, and it can actually help to recreate new neurons. So this is very good, just to keep our brain healthy. Let's talk about your heart. It helps lower your risk of heart disease, and it helps lower your risk of heart attacks. Turmeric is really good against depression. Example, I noticed I was taking turmeric tea every morning for only a couple of weeks, and I noticed that I would feel more energized to do more things during the day, and I didn't have as much depression. So rather you have severe depression or you just want to feel better about your day, I would definitely try taking this turmeric. It helps with diabetes, and because it helps fight inflammation, it can keep your blood sugar level very steady and helps to prevent you to develop any kind of type 2 diabetes. Turmeric is also really good for fighting off pathogens, so it keeps you from getting colds and flus, which we all need that, especially in the cold season. Having it with your breakfast would definitely save you from getting all these colds and flus, just to make sure your immune system is strong and you do not develop any sicknesses. It also helps with PMS symptoms, so you do not have as much pain and irritation while you're going through your menstruals. It's also really great for lowering your cholesterol, and it can help cure athlete's foot. I have seen this happen. You can just make a paste with some turmeric powder. You can use the turmeric you buy from the store if you don't have the root, and mix it with some little bit of water and make a little bit paste, and apply that to your feet every day for about a month, depending on how severe your case is, and it should relieve your athlete's foot. This is also a really good one here. It helps treat gastrointestinal conditions, which a lot of people have been developing. All kinds of diseases are included here, including irritable bowel disease and ulcerative colitis, even Crohn's disease. It can help restore the health of your entire organ system so it becomes stronger and resistant to developing any of these problems. Turmeric is really great for your memory, short-term memory, long-term memory. It'll help increase your ability to remember and recall. Another great one that I thought was important was that it helps improve your liver. If you take it regularly, it can help improve the function of your liver, improve the detoxification process of your liver, and also reduce your risk of developing any kind of hepatic disorders. I know, for the fun stuff, I thought it was exciting to see how turmeric can also help with our pets. You can use turmeric on your dogs to help reduce joint pains and reduce blood clots, and also help with their immunity and just overall health. You can buy it in dog foods. I've seen them have it, or you can add it to their diet just like you do in your diet. You can put some in with their dog food. Make sure you put a little bit of olive oil, fresh turmeric, and some crushed up black pepper, and mix it in there, and they'll just eat it with their dog food just to help with their overall health. And many pets in American society and Western societies experience a lot of joint pains and anxieties and problems as they get older, just like any of us. So it's very good to include this in their diet. I hope you all enjoyed learning all these cool stuff about turmeric. I use it a lot and with my family, and thought it would be good to share it with you. Please leave a comment down below if you have any good uses for turmeric. Make sure you go and watch my turmeric tea to show you a good way of drinking it. And I'll see you next time.